begin with a court appearance for the man accused of killing Marion County Sheriff's Deputy John Durham. This comes one day after prosecutors announced they will seek the death penalty against Orlando Mitchell. Our Nico Panisi was in the courtroom. He joins us live this afternoon. Nico, good afternoon. What's the latest?
Yes, good afternoon. An initial hearing for the accused Orlando Mitchell wrapped up here at the Community Justice Center just moments ago. Special Judge Mark A. Smith read Mitchell his charges and rights at a hearing this morning. Now, he faces 2 counts of murder, a count of robbery, and a count of escape. Charges of penalties for murder are 45 years to 65 years with a maximum fine of $10,000. For robbery, that's 10 to 30 years with a maximum fine of $10,000. And for escape, it's 10 to 12 years with a maximum fine of $10,000. Additionally, the prosecutor's office has filed a request with the court to seek the death penalty against Mitchell. Special Judge Mark A. Smith explains that for the death penalty, the state needs to prove one of the following aggravating circumstances without reasonable doubt.
Orlando Mitchell did commit the murder of Deputy John Durham, and at the time of the murder, Orlando Mitchell was under the custody of the Marion County Sheriff. Orlando Mitchell did commit the murder of Deputy John Durham, a law enforcement officer employed by the Marion County Sheriff's Office while Deputy John Durham was acting in the course of his duties as a law enforcement officer. Orlando Mitchell did commit the murder of Deputy John Durham, and Orlando Mitchell committed that murder by intentionally killing Deputy John Durham while committing the crime of robbery. Orlando Mitchell did commit the murder of Deputy John Durham, and at the time of that murder, Orlando Mitchell had committed another murder, to wit, the murder of Crystal Walton.
And court documents say Orlando Mitchell attacked Deputy John Durham while being transported back to the Community Justice campus on Monday. And according to those documents, Mitchell strangled and killed Durham with his handcuffs before driving off in a stolen vehicle, which he later crashed into a utility pole. And Mitchell is due back in court on September 8th at 9 a.m. for a pretrial hearing. And as you can see behind me, there is a growing memorial here for Deputy John Durham, who is described as a hero who did everything to keep his community safe. Durham is actually the 3rd law enforcement officer in just the past 2 weeks to be killed here in the state of Indiana. And Durham will be laid to rest following a funeral service at Gainbridge Fieldhouse. That is Monday, July 17th. Reporting live, Nico Panisi, WRTV.
Nico, visitation for Deputy Durham is this Sunday at the Scottish Rite Cathedral on Meridian Street in Indianapolis from 2 until 7 p.m. The funeral will be Monday at Gainbridge Fieldhouse. That starts at 11 a.m.